Right guys, morning. How are you doing, by the way? Hope you're good. We're going to do a video on filtering. Kind of an important part about us riding bikes is filtering. Takes place quite a lot. And also, whilst we're discussing filtering, I was going to say let's have a bit of fun with a bit of speed, but the traffic is not on our side. However, we can discuss overtaking as well, I suppose. Overtaking is something that should never be rushed, and a good overtake is always well planned. You don't need to be going 50 miles an hour to overtake. Now, as a frickin' cyclist. So I'm going to overtake this cyclist. I know it's only a cyclist, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a right lifesaver check, indicate, right lifesaver check again, get around the cyclist, left indication, a left lifesaver check, and then turn off my signal. That, and check your mirrors again afterwards, is the way I do it. I'm not telling you that that's the correct way to do it, that's just the way I do it. You may do it completely different. You may not even signal, you may just go around him. I suppose it all depends on how you're riding at that given time. Why is this car going so slow? So yeah, filtering obviously is done when you're going in between cars or any outside of cars in any given lane, or there's a bit of congestion on the road, such as traffic, pile up. When I say pile up, I mean in car, not a crash pile up. Yeah, and hopefully we'll get into the city centre in a minute, and we can do some of that if it's busy. Obviously I can't. Oh, look at that view. Oh, look at that. That was nice. Very nice. Yeah, so hopefully we can do a bit of filtering and a bit more overtaking. So let's overtake this Skoda in front of me then. Welcome to Keynsham. I'm checking my mirrors because obviously you want to know who's behind me. You could have another bike come up out of nowhere. Move out to the right a little bit. Right signal. Left signal, left blind spot check, and turn off your signal. If you signal, just let them know what you're doing. They probably know that you're going to overtake them anyway, but if you show them as well, then obviously you're just giving them that extra bit of a reassurance that yes, I am going to overtake you, and I am signalling to show that. So yeah, it's probably one thing you do with your eyes closed. Well, not literally, but it's just like riding a bike. Once you know how, it just goes. So here we are, blue van. Check my speed. Check my mirrors. Don't do it on a bend, whatever you do, and don't do it on a brow of a hill, because that would just be silly. Can we do it here? There's two of them there. Well, no, we can't do it here because we can't see what's coming, and we gotta be able to see what's coming, man. Look at that, that's lovely, isn't it? See, there are some nice bits of countryside, and people that stare at you on their bikes. We'll go fast in a minute. I know that's what you're itching for me to do. We'll go fast, don't worry. But first, let's do a bit more overtaking. Right. What are your bad habits as well? If you've got any bad habits, do let me know. I'd love to know what they are. They might be really bad, or they might be quite good. Well, I don't know how you can have a good bad habit. You can't. What are your bad habits? And what are your good habits? More importantly, what do you do well on your bike? And going fast in a straight line doesn't count, by the way. It has to be something on the bike. Ooh. Oh! I started me crack! Started me nut crack! Right. We're going to go right. So right. Signal right, lifesaver. Watch the right. Just give way to the right. I don't know why he went. Because I have to give way to these guys on my right hand side. So yes, you can go. And now you can't go. I can go. Left signal, left lifesaver as you come off the roundabouts. Not everyone does that either, which to me is kind of, well, why? Why don't you do it? So overtaking a parked car like this, just a right lifesaver check. I don't indicate because I'm staying within my lanes. Let's overtake this car. So right indication, right blind spot check. Left indication, left blind spot check, and we're good. Here comes a bit of traffic, so we could filter through here. Now, when you are filtering, just be aware they shouldn't open their car doors, but if they do, then they're just muppets anyway. I don't think they are. I think they're overtaking this recycling lorry. That's not too bad. When you are filtering though, don't go through a gap which you know it's going to be a tight squeeze, because if your wing mirror clips their car, they're not going to be impressed. And we're not here to piss them off, you know. We're just here to ride our bikes in our own space. You know, that's what we want to do. So let me see if I can get to the front here. Probably not. Probably so. Here we go. And we're going to get into the right hand lane. Right lifesaver. I promised you a bit of speed, so here it is. La 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 la. La 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 la. Thank you. Woo. You always got to watch it over those overhangs, should we give this guy a thumbs up? Shall we? Let's make his day. Give this guy a thumbs up. Oh, he's on a bike. Fair play to him. Got his old plates on, which is good. He's probably thinking, oh my god, I want to try and Daytona 675, man. Let this car out. Did he say thank you? Did he say thank you? No, he didn't. What a bellend. Check this car on my left. Not sure what he's doing. Left blind spot check. Left indication. We'll go in here, and we can filter up through the traffic. And we will sit right here. Hi. Hi. Where's he gone? Oh, there he is. La 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 la. Da 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 da. You're probably thinking, what the fuck, man? Have to go. Left indicator left, light blind spot check, thingy majigamy. Oh, that's good of him. So yeah, here comes cyclists and here comes moving things. So I wonder if he's right, blind spot check, move over left, make sure the cyclist is clear. Okay, we can go through here. The light's not on red, we can go through here. The light's not on red, so we can go through here. What's this car? What is this car doing? Should we go straight on? Yeah. Watch this car on the right. Check your speed. There's a camera coming up here shortly. There it is. God damn it. I'm doing 28. Can we filter? No, we can't. Terribly sorry, this isn't a very good video if I'm trying to show you how to filter and there's no filtering going on. Watch that car. There we are, we can filter to the front. How's that? There we go. We can take this spot here and we can go left. When the light comes. Remember to check our left blind spot as well. When the light ever comes. Oh my god. I might just fall asleep on my bike. There it is. Left blind spot check. And up into the front of it. We're going to go left, so we need our left indicator on. Left blind spot. Slow, buddy. We're in second, and this bike can shift in second. I'll give you an example in a minute. Hang on. And it's safe to do so. You hear that? It's just so amazing. Love it. Love it so much. Alright, enough of that. I'm going to wrap it up here, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Take care. This is British Biker Matt, over and out, baby.